Is your company required to pay severance to employees who leave your company? My name is Nina, and this is a quick business tip. If you would like to know more about business operations, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you will be alerted when new videos are uploaded. Under the Texas Payday law rules, severance pay is defined as additional pay given to an employee at the end of that employee's tenure with your company. Typically, but not always, severance amounts are based on some sort of formula like length of employment. It is a payment that the employer has somehow obligated itself to pay either voluntarily, orally, or in writing. For example, in an offer letter of employment, your company may state that if the employee's job comes to an end for reasons other than misconduct, the company will provide X amount of dollars in severance compensation. Unlike wages in lieu of notice, which is a post-termination payment that an employer has never previously obligated itself to give, severance pay that is promised in a written policy or other written form is an enforceable part of the wage agreement under the Texas Workforce Commission's Labor Law Department. In other words, if you communicate in writing that your company will provide a severance pay, it will be enforced under Texas law. In the state of Texas, no company is obligated to offer severance pay to any employee. I recommend that an employment policy is written that states that only the business owner can make any sort of promise to compensate an employee severance pay or any other form of compensation. Thanks for watching.